Guys, I do hope you're all having a great day. In today's video, we're going to be working on the Marauder. Mainly, it's high time that we had to clean the chain. Ever since I purchased this bike back in July, haven't cleaned the chain yet, even once. So this is the first time I am ever cleaning this chain to see how it goes. It should be easy, but I don't have all the tools. So as we clean the chain, I'm going to be moving the bike in the garage to move the chain and clean it up because I don't have the stands. I'm using a toothbrush, brake cleaner. I know that's a big debate on the internet if we should use brake cleaner or not, but I'm going to be using that. It is what it is. I just have that in the garage. So with that being said, let's get to it. And because with a toothbrush and no stand, this is going to take a while. So hope you guys enjoy the video. So it's been about 15-20 minutes. As you guys can see, the bike's all the way back there now. Anyways, the bike goes over here. Because I don't have stands, I had to move the bike bit by bit. As I cleaned the chain, I went all the way right there. For the most part, the chain's clean. From my first attempt, I'd say it's not that bad. And so anyways, now that we got it all cleaned up with the brake cleaner, we need to get the Castrol, the chain lubricant, and apply that on there. For that, you just need the lubricant and a microfiber. Spray onto the chains and then give it a wipe, and you should be good to go. And yeah, let's get that done. And this is done, guys. Alright, so now we just take the chain lube, which we got right here. And let's take the chain lube, just spray it. Just spray it onto the chain. Be gentle with it. You don't need too much. Then wipe away any extra. Go through the chain, wipe away any extra, and you're good to go. Alright, and there you guys go. There's one sort of clean chain. I didn't clean the sprocket this time because I don't have the right stuff to do it. I don't have the right stuff to clean the chain properly, but you guys can tell it's much better than before because I keep doing stuff on the cheap. I really need to invest in the right tools, the right stuff to do it, but I don't know how long until I have to replace this chain and sprocket. I need to look into that because, as you guys know, I'm still a beginner. So for now, that should be good. That's enough. So I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please leave a like and please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting more automotive content around pickup on the F-150 and the Marauder, and doing many more moto vlogs since now that we have the audio set up now, right? So with that being said, guys, I do hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you all in the next upload. See ya.